Hello dear students, welcome back to the CLE's KK CBSE School Chukkodi affiliated to New Delhi wide affiliation number 830981. So welcome back to the academic year 2021-22. So I am Tariq Ammangi going to teach you mathematics of class 7. So we have completed with the bridge course videos. So this year I am going to start with your new syllabus of mathematics of class 7. So this textbook, you can see this textbook is your cover page this year. I did it mathematics. So this is your textbook cover page this year, and this is your index part. You are going to study the chapters this year. So see here, first chapter you are going to study the integers, fractions and rational numbers, exponents. So 4 chapters you are going to study in the arithmetic part. In the arithmetic part you are going to study the 4 chapters, that is integers, decimals, rational numbers and exponents. In the algebra part you are going to study for the whole academic year, you are going to study that is algebraic expression, linear equation in one variable, lines and angles, triangles. So this is your algebra, and that is algebraic expression and linear equation in one variable. This is your algebra part. Next to your in the geometry section you are going to study the lines and angles, triangles, congruency of triangles, symmetry, 3D visualization, construction, perimeter area, and this is a different, that is up to here these all are geometry part. And next one, that is comparing quantities and data handling. So this is the one of the subject, that is the statistics, comparing quantities and data handling and probability. Okay, so this is a statistics part. Okay, so first chapter you are going to study that integers. So I am dealing with the one chapter of number system, that is your arithmetic part. One chapter I am dealing with your algebra part. One chapter I am dealing with your geometry part. So this year I am going to start with the first chapter, that is integers. So first chapter I am going to start with your integers. In the next video we are going to start with the online session of integer in detail. So this is an introduction part of your textbook. So that is integer, first chapter is you are having the integers. In the integers, in this chapter you will learn about the properties of addition and subtraction. That is, in this chapter you will learn about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Then next you are going to study the properties of multiplication and division of integers. Next, after that you are going to study additive identity, then multiplicative identity, and after that you are going to study multiplication and division of integers, and after that distributive property of integer under addition and multiplication. So these all chapters you are going to study, and all the concept you are going to study in the integers part. Next you are in the fractions and decimals you are going to study. In this chapter you will learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. Next, multiplication of fractions, reciprocal of fraction, division of fraction, decimals. And after that expanded notation of decimal numbers, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, multiplication of decimals, division of decimals. So these all concepts you are going to study in the fractions and decimals part. Okay. Next, and after that I am going to deal with your algebraic expression, that is the 5th chapter, that is 2 chapters with for this semester you are going to study this semester in the integers and fractions and decimals in the arithmetic part. In the algebra part I am going to start with the algebraic expression with the 5th chapter. Okay, so in the second sem you are going to solve, that is one more 2 topics, that is you are going to deal with rational numbers and exponents. So in this year you are going to deal with integers. For this sem you are going to deal with the integers and fractions and decimals. In the algebraic expression you are going to start with in this chapter you are going to learn in this chapter, that is terms of algebraic expression, types of algebraic expression, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, finding the value of algebraic expression, patterns using algebraic expression. So these are all concepts you are going to study in the algebraic expression part. Next one, in the next part you are having as lines and angles. So in the lines and angles you are going to study, so this is a geometry part you are going to deal. So in this one you are going to study the types of lines, types of angles. Next you are going to deal with relation between the angles and transversal of parallel lines. And also you are going to study the angles formed by transversal properties of parallel lines. So these all concepts you are going to study in the lines and angles. And one more chapter from the geometry you are going to study, that is triangles. So what do you mean by the triangle? Triangle is a polygon made up of 3 line segments. So in the triangle part you are going to study the altitude of triangle, median of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, Pythagoras theorem. Next they are dealing with exterior angle property of a triangle. So these all concepts you are going to study in the triangle part. And last one you are dealing with one more part of the statistics, that is comparing quantities. So comparing quantities you are going to study, that is ratio and equivalent ratio of proportion, unitary method, percentage, converting fractional numbers and decimal to the percentage, converting percentage to fractions or decimals, use of percentage, increase or decrease in percentage, profit or loss, simple interest. So these all concepts you are going to study for this sem. I hope so you will go with through all the videos in this pandemic situation.